The HP 41C series of programmable calculators was released in 1979 and comprised the original 41C, the 41CV, and the 41CX models. The HP 41C series did not include any self-test feature, and a service module was required to test the calculator, modules and card reader. The service module was used by HP to test, troubleshoot and repair the 41C series calculators, various modules and peripherals, and was not available to the consumer. There are two 41C service modules. The ET11966 module included 41C, standard memory module, 4 and 8 kilobyte ROM modules and card reader tests. This module will be demonstrated in this video using a 41C, a ROM emulation module with a service module loaded, and a keyboard overlay showing the service module keyboard layout. The service module is a takeover module that runs in page number 4 and takes over control of the calculator. The service module can be installed in any port. Any module to be tested must be installed in port 4. At power up, the service module performs a CPU test and then asks which test to run. Individual tests can be run, as per the keyboard overlay, or multiple standard tests can be run by using the multiple key, as demonstrated. The tests included are display, DS, data storage, ROM keyboard, standby and sleep. Once the tests are completed, the status is reported. The next test shows the calculator system ROM versions. This 41C has ROM version F, E, E. The service module also includes a service module test, which is demonstrated next, and completes with the status and version of the service module being used. The ET11966 service module can also test 4K and 8K ROM modules by verifying the module's checksum. A 4K ROM module and two 8K ROM modules are shown in the demonstration. The module version is also shown. You can see the combined mathstat module reports the version of each individually. The ET11966 service module also tests standard memory modules, 64 registers, as demonstrated next. Finally, the ET11966 service module includes a card reader test which includes the ROM, read-only card detection, and card reading, writing, and speed, as demonstrated. The card speed, according to the card reader service manual, should be 156 plus or minus 5. The other 41C series service module, 50617221, includes different tests for newer models and modules, and will be covered in another video. Both service modules are required to perform all available tests, as there are unique tests in each module. See the description for links to the service manuals for detailed information about all available tests and possible results, including failures and troubleshooting.